Hey there, welcome to GC's Tech Hub. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate the mouse pointer for your Android devices. If you're a digital creator and you usually do screen record of tutorials for your students, it's very important you turn on the mouse pointer so that the students can actually see the illustrations going on the screen. So come with me, let me show you how to do that in just 1 minute. So go to settings. So when you go to settings, you just scroll all the way down to system, or anywhere you have system on your own Android device. Just click on it and look for developer options. So mine is the last option down here, so I'm just going to click on it. Then when you get here, just take your time to look for show mouse pointer. Just take your time to look for show mouse pointer or show tabs. This is it on mine here. Input, show tabs, or pointer location. So but the one we're using is show tabs, so I'm just going to turn this on. You can see it's on right now. So notice that this thing now has a pointer showing where I am at the moment. You can see that it shows where I am at the moment. So if I'm just doing an illustration, you can see the mouse. If I'm doing an illustration, you can see the mouse going, you can see everything. So this is how you activate the mouse pointer for your Android device. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel to get amazing videos and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I will drop new content. So see you in my next video, guys.